The Tuttio Arc 1. Different type of cyclings. Golly. They really use some good staples on this package. You ain't gotta film this. This too painful to watch. They packaged this thing really well. Golly, I need a pry bar. All right, y'all, now that we got this thing opened up with national security clearance, time to take everything out the box. As you can see, very well packaged. No damage physically can occur. Yeah. Yo, for the most part, this thing is pretty well assembled. All I gotta do is install the handlebars, the front tire, and a few other knickknacks. Very light aluminum rims. All right, y'all, got that thing fully unwrapped. I just opened up the two little boxes that it came with. In the smaller box, although it was wrapped, I took it out of its packaging. We got a nice little headlight here. We got a box filled with tools, front number plate, a couple zip ties, and I'm assuming the charger's in here. Will I assume correctly? I did indeed assume correctly. Let me go ahead and start assembling this bad boy so that way we can go get Ricky Bobby and surprise him with his Arc 1 dirt bike. All right, y'all, step one, gotta turn this stem around. Make sure the forks don't move and square it up with your eyeballs. Now tighten down your screws. All right, y'all, once you install the handlebar clamp faceplate, go ahead, fish your handlebars through here and go ahead and reinstall them. Make sure all your cables and wires are cleanly ran. Nothing's gonna be pinching. Reinstall your bolts or screws, whatever you want to call them, and go ahead and tighten them down. All right, once you tighten this down after you remove your little black plug, go ahead and take your two screws out your headlight and install it. Put your screws back, and then you're gonna plug this into that empty plug in your wiring harness. All right, y'all, once y'all remove this rod that holds the forks from spinning, grab your tire and remove your nuts and your locating washers. Hold them in your hand. Come around here, drop that wheel in there, disc brake, rotor to caliper, get it lined up, drop it in. Once you drop your wheel on, install your washers, locator down, but in this case it's up because the bike is flipped over. And then grab your tools. I don't know which side. A 16 millihenrix. And then now, test your brake. Flip it back over. All right, y'all. Go ahead and remove that one little screw. Set your front fender on. And go to towners. Check it out, y'all. She's coming together. Ooh, I love that peel. Got it. All right, y'all. You can charge this battery with it on the bike, but if you do need to remove it or you bought an extra battery, simply take your key, install it, turn it counterclockwise, slide it to the left. And there you go. You can go ahead and charge this thing in the house, if you want to keep it in a safe space while the kids ain't riding it, you can do that. I'm going to go ahead and just charge it on the bike, so I'm going to go ahead and put it back. Simply put it on, they got a little notch, slide it back in, lock it. Come around here. Here's your little charge port right here. We're gonna go ahead and garnish it off with this front number plate right here with the zip ties provided. Let me go ahead and pop it on, yeah. All right, y'all, battery is fully charged. Out the box, I just checked, you can click this button on the battery and it shows you how many bars it got, and it also shows you how much battery you got on this little display right here. These things light up, which is cool. You got a horn, headlight button right here on the thing, a full twist throttle, front rear brakes on. This gives you your modes. We're in 5. That's going to be your fastest. And up, down, right? Before we go get Ricky Bobby, I want to at least see if this mini beast could move me. I'm 225 pounds as we speak. I'm going to sit plain as day on it, and let's see if it can move my behind. I might not even give this to Ricky Bobby, y'all. It might be mine now. Let's go get him, and let's go see how surprised he's going to be when we show him this thing. All right, y'all. I got it sitting right here, placed in front of the door. I did hook the charge up, even though it's fully charged, just to make sure. You know, a lot of times they say to do a charge regardless, so I'm hooked it up. We're going to go get the kids, and we're going to be back, and we're going to do the little Tuttio Arc 1 reveal for Ricky Bobby. Got Ricky, got the package in hand. All right, y'all, we just made it back home. Ricky Bobby's standing outside. I'm gonna go ahead and open this door and get his reaction on that Tuttio Arc 1. Come say. Check that new bike out, boy. What you thinking about it? Sit on it, see if you fit. Oh, yeah. You sit on that thing, nice. Front, back, brace. What you thinking about this?
It's nice.
You love it? You want to ride it?
Yeah.
It's fast.
It even has a horn.
Doss, this thing could do 22 mile an hour, dude. 5 speed modes, 25-mile battery range, 750 watt motor. What you thinking, bro? You ready to cut up?
I'm gonna go.
You gonna cut up in speed?
2 dirt bikes now.
You gonna cut up in speed 5? Yeah. All right, let's get your helmet on and get you cruising. All right, Doss, I want to go over a few safety features first. We got front, we got back brakes. We got a quarter turn twist throttle. And at any time it's going too fast, just shut down this throttle and grab the brakes lightly. All right, give us a test rip. And it's got brake lights. Hit the brake. Ooh-hoo-hoo-hoo. All right, go. This is speed mode 1, yeah. Hit it. All right, that was speed mode number 2. Speed mode 3 right there. Go. Speed mode 4. Let's go to the top number 5. Go. He's gonna need a longer runway, y'all. Let's go ahead and go down the street in speed mode 5. All right, y'all. Speed mode 5. Ricky's about to come cruising past me. Yes, indeed, boy. Roll. Y'all, for a max speed of 22 miles an hour, this thing is perfect for them kids that won't rip the road. But make sure they got their safety equipment on, y'all. Let's see how it handles this off-road ditch terrain. Handled pretty good. Doss, what you think about this Tuttio Arc 1? You love it?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
It's your best birthday present ever?
Yeah. Right now, I'm just ripping. Right now, I'm just cruising, y'all. I'm just cruising. Now I'm speeding up to about, I don't know. But I like this. It's almost my birthday, y'all. I like it so much. It's almost my birthday. Y'all know what I'm gonna do for my birthday. You don't know what I'm gonna do for my birthday. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do for my birthday. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. Oh, it's bumpy. It's getting bumpy here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Cruising. I'm just cruising. Actually, I'm going up and down. There's my neighbors playing with water. I feel like I'm going 80. Not looking at the speed limit. Addition. I'll just go away.
This bike has suspension all the way around, y'all. Front, rear. It's the perfect off-road and on-road capable bike. Appreciate y'all watching that. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I'm also going to be putting a link for this bike down in the description below. If you want to get your kids a sick Tuttio Arc 1 bike that does 22 miles per hour and has a 25 mile an hour capable battery, 13 amp hour. Later, y'all.